Okay, so this is about a week after we planted strawberries and almost a month after we planted the onions, and they look to be doing terrific. The strawberries, like we said, we planted right next to the logs there, and hopefully the fruit will stretch down over the logs. That ought to work out well, we hope. Had to recover the roots a few times, but man, they are all really doing well. And here's a shot of the other raised bed. Have some broccoli planted that's doing great, among some other things that Vicky has in the back that I can't identify, but I probably should be able to. And again, more strawberries. But man, this stuff's doing great. Doing great.